We're at the entrance of Stone Creek. They've got a new road that connects Stone Creek to On Top of the World, both 55 plus communities. And it shortcuts you past the long 1 mile drive that used to go out to Southwest 80th Avenue. It's just straight out this entrance. And there are 2 lanes and a multi-purpose pathway. We're going to take a multi-purpose pathway. As you see, we've almost finished. So let's ride. It's so close, so easy. I can see a need for traffic lights. That's a big thing. We're going to see some new development areas off to the left. There'll probably be, this looks like, if they do anything here, it might still be on top of the world. Got a little something in here, probably some sewer piping for the new developments down the road. They got to put the grass in to make it pretty. To wrap up. Fire hydrant already there. They've done some work. It's probably finished. See, they have a big dry retention to the left, so they can't put houses technically there. Shalom Park is probably right around in here. Maybe they'll put a back entrance to Shalom Park and people can go to Shalom Park more often. Hopefully they'll upgrade the bathrooms a little bit better. Make them a little bigger, another setup or something. That would be nice, Shalom Park. You'll see on the left there's a lot of places where more houses are going to go in. Which means more people, which means this road will get used a lot, which means traffic lights. Need the traffic lights. So you can see a road here is already started, and we'll keep going. They'll probably plow through these trees and have a neighborhood right through there. Interesting, right? Let's back it off a little bit. There you go. That's On Top of the World neighborhood there. Big dry retention area here. Big hole for catching water. In case it rains, a hurricane comes up, it takes all the water down there, keeps it away from your house, so you don't need to worry about flooding. Windy day today. Windy day. Got a walker up ahead. A lot of room for houses here. Yeah. Kind of a big neighborhood in there. And they're widening 80th Avenue. It takes about 2 years to do it, but they're going to widen it as they add more neighborhoods. There's one near Indigo East. It's called Melody Preserve. It's going to have 233 houses. That's already cleared out. Hello, on your left or right. How are you? Did you think it was your phone? All right, down here. So they got a little bit of hills in Florida. Little baby hills, but they're hills. There's a big area for nice development. You see the road starting already. here. A little bit of cattle. I'll have to move those guys because they petitioned that land for houses. And the people that own on top of the world own the cattle. So, you know, that won't be a big deal. You'll just move them to some other new farm. They'll have a new place to graze. Plenty of land left in Ocala. Plenty. We're growing. We've got a Sam's, but we don't have a Costco yet. But one day, we've got a Buc-ee's going in the north part of Ocala. That'll be about 2 years, I think. Nice, easy ride. Nothing by car. On the right is the Wayborn Landing neighborhood for On Top of the World. And they've got dog parks and pools and a little fitness room and a little putt-putt course. They've got some nice stuff for that neighborhood. They have several neighborhoods on Top of the World. This one actually has a lower HOA than some of them. That's a plus. Cross over. Now we're not on multi-purpose, we're on the sidewalk right now. Multi-purpose is on the right side of the road. So you can bring your golf cart down. We could have crossed over to the multi-purpose. And golf cart over from the right, you turn around and you would shoot across these stripes here. And you'd be back on a multi-purpose again. See, it's widened up for golf carts. And I've seen golf carts cheat and use this one. Just watch out for people. Now we're multi-purpose again. And this is Circle Square Commons. On Top of the World's live event area. They've got a coffee shop, an ice cream shop, and several businesses. Not big like at the Villages, one of their big squares. They're huge, those places are huge. On Top of the World's like a little Villages. They have live events here. They took most of the parking lot up with food trucks to have a big party and had tables out. We all ate. I got some barbecue. And here we are. This is Sid's coffee shop. Master of the Possibilities Learning Center. It has tables inside so you can sit and drink your coffee. Got a real estate place on the left. VIP care, primary care, if you want to have a close by doctor. First Federal Bank is not open every day, but it has an ATM. You gotta watch out for cars. Happy holidays. This is an area they'll set up for big bands. They've got a little area for bands. This is the cultural center that brings in acts, comedians, music groups, and you can go see a show. That's open to the public or here. And just past that is the Ranch Fitness Center. And it's open to the public or people on top of the world. It's a big fitness center, so if you don't want just your little fitness room in your neighborhood, you can belong to this big boy. Kind of painted kind of a peachy orange. Big building, big fitness center. Never been inside. I've been inside the cultural center. Some people that used to go to the Villages said they had a cultural like center at the Villages, but they had hard chairs. So when you sat down to see an event, they hurt your butt. And he said, at least here on top of the world, they got soft padded chairs. I said, well, that's good. And they just take them up when they have indoor events that require tables and things for flea markets or something like that. Here's the entrance to the ranch. So that's your tour. A couple small little businesses in the back. Nothing to be concerned with. And a lot of times when it's busy, you park back here, bring your golf cart. It's a golf cart accessible neighborhood. Park in the back so you don't have to fight the parking in the front. That's what we do. And then you can circle around here. There's some bike parking, or you can sneak in and park here. And there you go. There's Big Scoops Ice Cream. This is where the little stage is. Flea market's Thursday. They'll have people just filled up full of flea market stuff. Farmer's market, technically. And there's a little ice cream little coffee shop here in this little building. And they've got bathrooms around the back here. They'll have tables out here too. There are the bathrooms. The events, some things that are going on at the Cultural Center. All right, 25th through 27th, Elvis, the Summer Festival. What a deal. February 28th, well, that's June 25th to 27th. Some highlights of stuff coming. June 28th, 2026, Yellow Brick Road at the Elton John Billy Joel tribute. That'll be cool. Classic Stones, Celtic Angels, Ireland, tribute to the legends of Motown, Jeffrey Osborne. All sorts of stuff. Human Nature will be here. I remember Human Nature. Direct from Sweden, ABBA tribute. Elvis and Legends of Country on January 8th. Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol. You'll get to see a performance of that on the 20th. Beautiful Christmas with Erwin Abu. Tunnel of Towers Foundation Benefit Concert. And Christmas with Chris Ruggiero on the 5th of December. We've already had that. Cool. So, like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything. Bye.